are the team members, okay, like you are a team leader or a team manager, okay, then how you will explain this report to the your team members, okay. So hey everyone, so this is our sales dashboard, final dashboard for our client. Okay, basically we collected the data from the Excel file. We connected data from the Excel file, okay, and then we performed Power Query, okay, for the data transformation, data cleaning. So we clean all the errors, removed all the errors, duplicacies, redundancies, and we get the data in a very structured form. Okay, so we have the two tables. One is the details table and the one is orders table. Okay, so these tables are related with each other. Okay, with the ID, order ID. Okay, so here we created some visuals after loading the data. Okay, so we created different visuals and different KPI cards. So first of all, this is our first KPI card, that is the sum of amount. Okay, this is the total sales. Okay, 438K, and this is the total sum of quantities, okay, that we sold. Okay, and this is sum of average order value, and then the next KPI card is the sum of profit. So the overall profit is 37,000. Okay, then we created a donut chart. Okay, and this donut chart shows the data distribution in percentage wise. Okay, sum of quantity by category. Okay, so the contribution of the furniture is 17%, and the electronics is 21%, and the clothing is 63%. Okay, so basically this is representing the sum of quantity by category wise contribution. Okay, and then here is another donut chart, that is the sum of quantity by payment mode. Okay, so this is basically showing that how the quantities are distributed in percentage by the payment mode. Okay, so we have the 4 to 5 payment modes, like cash on delivery, EMI, credit card, debit card, and UPI, and each one is showing their percentage contribution. Okay, then this chart, this is a column chart, and this shows profit by month. Okay, so here we can see our profit. Okay, so you can see in Jan, Feb, March, April we are in up, and then October, November, okay, we are in profit. But here you can see that a few months where we are in loss. Okay, so here you can see profit by month. Okay, then the next chart is bar chart, that is the sum of profit by subcategory. Okay, this is showing that how each subcategory, how we can see the sum of profit. Okay, so the contribution of the printers in the sum of profit, okay, is near to 10,000. Okay, then bookcases, then sarees, then accessories and tables. Okay, so these are the top 5 subcategories which are contributing in the profit more. Okay, then here we can see the another bar chart, that is the sum of amount by state. Okay, so here you can see the contribution of state wise, which state is contributing more in profit. Okay, so we are getting the most of the sales by the Maharashtra. Okay, around over the 100K, and the next is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, approx 100K, and the next is Uttar Pradesh, and the fourth number is Delhi. So here we can see the top 4 states by profit wise. Okay, then we added 2 filters in this. The first one filter is state wise. Okay, we can see the data according to state wise. We can choose from the slicer, and the second is we can also see the quarter wise, quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3, and quarter 4. Okay, so these all data get changed whenever we choose any of the option from the filter. Okay, so this is a cross functionality in this report. Okay, so this is all the overview of our sales report. Okay.